Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we'll learn the three main types of sentences in English: simple, compound, and complex. By the end you'll be able to identify each type, build your own, and write clearer sentences. Ready? Let's begin. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Every sentence needs at least one subject, who or what, and one verb, what they do. Sentences can be short, like he runs, or long and detailed. The type of sentence depends on how many clauses it has and how those clauses are connected. Simple sentences. A simple sentence contains one independent clause, one subject and one predicate, verb, and expresses a complete thought. Its basic structure is subject plus verb plus object or complement. Examples: she reads. Subject equals she. Verb equals reads. The students finish the test. Subject equals the students. Verb equals finished. Object equals the test. My friend and I went to the market. Compound subject. Still one clause. The weather is very hot today. Verb plus complement. Notes: a simple sentence can have compound elements like she and Tom walked and talked. It is still simple because there is only one clause, one main verb group. Simple sentences are great for clarity and strong starts in writing. Compound sentences. A compound sentence joins two or more independent clauses, clauses that could stand alone as sentences, using coordinating conjunctions or punctuation. How to join them? Use a comma plus a coordinating conjunction, for, and nor, but, or, yet. So remember FANBOYS. Example: I wanted to go for a walk, but it started to rain. Or use a semicolon when the two clauses are closely related. Example: I wanted to go for a walk, it started to rain. More examples: he studied hard, so he passed the exam. You can call me now, or we can meet later. The sun set, and the stars came out. Punctuation tip: when you join two full sentences with a coordinating conjunction, put a comma before the conjunction. If you use a semicolon, no conjunction is needed, but both clauses should be closely connected. Complex sentences. A complex sentence has one independent clause and one or more dependent, subordinate clauses. A dependent clause cannot stand alone. It needs the main clause to make sense. Common subordinating words, because although, since, if, when, while, after, before, and less though. Relative pronouns like who, which, that also introduce dependent clauses. Examples: because it was raining, we stayed home. Dependent clause: because it was raining plus independent clause, we stayed home. We stayed home because it was raining. Same clauses, order changed, no comma used below. The book that I borrowed is excellent. That I borrowed is a relative clause describing the book. If you study regularly, your English will improve. Punctuation and placement. If the dependent clause comes first, put a comma after it. If it rains, I will take an umbrella. If the independent clause comes first, you usually do not use a comma. I will take an umbrella if it rains. Relative clauses, who slash, which slash, that, usually do not need commas unless they are non-essential extra information. Why use complex sentences? They let you show cause, condition, time, contrast, and more, adding depth to your writing. Quick practice. Now a short practice. Pause if you need time. 1. Identify. She laughed and everyone cheered. Simple, compound, or complex. 2. Identify. Although he was tired, he finished the project. 3. Convert into compound. I finished my homework. I watched a movie. Join with a suitable conjunction. Answers: 1. Simple, one clause with compound predicate/objects. 2. Complex, dependent clause although he was tired plus independent clause. 3. Compound example: I finished my homework and I watched a movie. Great job! Practice writing one sentence of each type every day. It will sharpen your writing and speaking. To test yourself further, try the sentence structure quiz at 99learners.in. The direct link is in the description below. If you like this lesson, subscribe for more English grammar videos and leave a comment for any topic ideas. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.